Active sent us their disposal cleaner, so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. This is the citrus scent, so I'm looking forward to using this to see how strong the citrus scent is. This cleanses, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects your drain. And it does give you instructions on how to use there. Safe for septic tanks. It does give you a before and after illustration. Let's go ahead and open it to see what it looks like inside. They give you this nice little note. And also the tablets are individually wrapped, which is nice, just in case they spill out, they're not going to get damaged. And they give you 24 tablets, so I'm not sure how often you are supposed to use this. This is a 1-year supply, so twice a month to use the disposal cleaner. Let's go ahead and open one of the tablets. This is what it looks like. It's got that yellow and white. Ooh, it's very citrusy. Let's go ahead and run a cleaning cycle, so I show you how it works. Okay, first things first, you want to run the water on hot for 1 minute. All right, so now we're going to reduce it to a pencil width trickle. I'm going to say like that. You want to turn it away. Then you're going to take the tablet, put it inside the drain, then turn the drain on. I can already smell the citrus. If it's your first cleaning, you might want to do 2 tablets, or if you have any heavy buildup, you might want to do 2 tablets. See the foam in there, and if the foam on yours, if the foam rises into the sink, you want to continue running disposal in water until the foam drains. So my foam is staying in the drain, which is a good sign. You do want to keep the water going. You're going to run that for 1 minute. And it sounds like it is complete. I can smell the All right, and now it sounds like it is complete. You want to rinse any remaining foam from the sink and turn off the disposal. So we're going to just rinse it and make sure it's all clean. And again, you want to try to use this twice a month. I do smell the citrusy scent, which is nice and refreshing. So we love the Active products. Their cleaning products are awesome, and we would highly recommend.